Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious jam with less than 5 ingredients. First, we're going to use 2 cups of fruit. I chose a mix of cherries and berries. Then 1 cup of water. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 cup of granulated sweetener. I chose stevia to keep the calories lower. Then we're going to turn our heat to medium-low and stir occasionally. After the fruit has cooked down, we're going to turn the heat to low. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of agar-agar and stir it in. Then we're going to grab our immersion blender and puree the fruit as smooth as you like it. I don't like it very chunky, so I tend to get it as smooth as possible. We're going to let it cool down a little bit before transferring it to our jars. Let them come to room temp before sealing and storing in the fridge, and this will keep good for a couple weeks. Enjoy on a nice crusty piece of sourdough bread.